house we go. Da 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 da. Ooh, sun. Whee! La 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 la. Hey Matt.
What?
Your car's a... Hey Matt.
What?
Your car's a beast. It's vibrating.
Yeah, no, because I'm going up just a certain speed.
Whee! Whoa! Ooh, pretty. Wonder why they haven't changed more colors yet.
A lot of different variables.
Freaking Ohio. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. That makes me jizz in my pants. That's so pretty. You know, when you're looking at it on camera, it's going by really, really, really fast. Whoa, whoa, pretty. Look at all the different colors. It's so pretty. Yay!
There's going to be a bunch of colored trees up here on the right.
Oh, there's other craps in the way.
Well, keep swing. There you go.
Yay for Ohio foliage. Oh, yellow tree. Yay. Okay, that's long enough. Why am I filming this again? Because it's cool. Look, corn! 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 Look at all the corn! Only in Ohio, corn! Ooh! Little dirt rat. And a farm! Look at the farm!
It's an Amish farm.
It's an Amish farm. Ah, doggy! And more corn. Corn, corn. Oh my god, we've got corn on both sides of us. It's like, what was that movie?
Children of the Corn?
Yeah, Children of the Corn. In a water tower. Hey,
It's
over
not
there.
a water tower.
What is it?
It's a grain silo.
Oh, what the hell's a grain silo? I don't know. Look, a farm. You know, Miller's McDonald farm with lots of clothing. See, I want a clothing line like that. And a big red barn. I want to live on a farm, Matt. You want to live on a farm? Whee! Ooh, that's pretty up there. That is really pretty. Ooh, look, the trees are like perfectly aligned. That's pretty. What are you doing? Whoa. What are you doing?
There, there's a good picture.
It's pretty. Okay, this is why we do not use public bathrooms, or at least I don't. Oh my god, there's a bunch of shit down there. How did they clean that out? Ew, there's not even a sink to wash my hands. No, yuck. On an adventure, adventure, adventure. We're going on an adventure. Whoa, I almost just fell down the hill. It's almost as big as the leaf I found in Connecticut. Jessica, I'm sure you remember that. Look, Boo-Boo. Hey, I found a really big leaf. Bubba would have the biggest party down here. She would be like running through this water. She doesn't care that it's 40 freaking degrees out. She'd be running through it like a psycho head. And coming back and splashing us. She'd be trying to eat rocks from the water, even though at home there's more rocks. Leaves! Ooh, I like this tree. Ooh, Boo Boo, look at that tree branch. I want to sit on it. 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 I'm going to sit on it. I'm going to sit on it. Ooh, ooh, Matt, what are these from? Look at all these little marks. What are they from?
Bugs under the bark eating it.
Cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Am I too fat for this? Ow. Yeah!
What?
Ah! Matt, stop! That's not cool.
Giddy up, cowgirl.
If I drop my camera, I'm killing you. It's $160. You're gonna have to pay me back. Holy crap. That was fun. These are really big rocks. Holy crap. Matt, how am I supposed to get up the rocks? Climb like a normal person? I don't have good grip on my shoes. Oh shit. Today. And then a big ditch. And the water goes down. That was a jump. Eee. So pretty. Whoa.
I'd walk across there.
We could go across there still, you know. We just have to walk all the way back up and turn around. I still think that looks so cool.
Nuts.
Chipmunk holes. Look at all those nuts. Someone likes their nuts, man. Chipmunk hole. Rapids. Are there any fish in here, you think?
Yeah.
Like what kind?
Not in this little spot. There's tons of fish to do on it.
Like what?
Steelhead, bass, bluegill.
I worked it, Matt. I told you lately I love your booty. You have the sexiest booty out of any guy I've ever met. No, it's not. Look, it's a ladybug. It's a ladybug. Ooh, pretty. What is it?
What's inside?
What is it? Is that a walnut?
It's a nut.
What kind of a nut? Not like a crazy person nut. Ew, why is it slimy?
It's 'cause it's wet.
What is it? What kind of a nut is
I
it?
don't know.
Save it. Can you eat it?
Yeah, if you let it. Try to get it off.
Can't see. Don't hurt yourself.
Nut. See? It's a nut. It's
Cool.
like a walnut. A certain kind of walnut.
Cool. So you mean like if we picked a bunch of those up, we could take them home and eat them?
You gotta cure them the right way or something.
Oh, shit.
See?
Let me see.
It's walnut.
Ooh. I want a walnut. I see you! And look at this big tree that grew together. Like two lovers.
There's probably a raccoon that lives in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh. All I see is leaves and dirt. Look at the cool tree. It grew together. Ooh, and it's so freaking tall. Whoa, two trees that grew together. Awesome!